पहलगाम टेररिस्ट सिंह चथकीब एटेक अकन मौद यानिंगतबना मणिपुर प्रदेश यूथ कांग्रेस ऑल इंडिया यूथ कांग्रेस अनीना सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की मथक्ता खोंजंग चंसिनख्रे खोंजंग अदु ngasi numit yungba matung pung 2:15 rom taba aduwaida BT road leiba Congress Bhavan dagi hauke tribute to Pahalgam martyrs, act against terror, act against Pakistan, justice for Pahalgam victim haina thaba banner paiduna Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress amasung All India Youth Congress ki thomi singna Congress Bhavan dagi BT road tamna khongchadama thorakhe We want justice down down BJP down down Amit Shah haiba kholau lauduna thorakhiba khongjang adu Congress Bhavan ki gate ta city police ki personnel singna thatlaga thamkhe mafam aduda police amasung khongjang loi ani ki marakta ngaihak muknakhe tongda ahenba police personnel sing mafam aduda thomjilaktuna khongjang adu tapna laksin bangamkhe ngasi ki khongjang adu ki matangda All India Youth Congress ke General Secretary su oiripi Manipur ki in charge Sarifa Rahman Napomi Singh da hai terrorist Singh da Pahalgam da chathakhiba thawong adu ki marumda kana leibage haibase khangnaraba wafam ne Indo Pakistan border dagi thapna leiba mafam amada terrorist Singh ke thawong chatharamlaba matung irailaina terrorist Singh adu chen khiba haibase mafam adu ki government amasung miyam gi achouba mateng yaudana oithokloi Jammu and Kashmir ase union territory ama oiba maramna Union Home Ministry ki meeting makhada lai haibase pumnamakna khangnaraba wafam ne adubo handak thokiba terrorist ki thawong aduna mafam adugi miyam Union Home Minister na ngak senba ngamdre haibase mayek singna takli numit aduda terrorist singna chathagiba ka henba thawong adu Congress Party na kan bamong da condemn tawi adugumba pangdabagi lichadadu aikhoina yaba ngamloi Kashmir ki thawdok asiga iroinana Manipur da tha kulhumdoi helaba irang asina oihan lakli ba thawong thawdok si asi center na nathairampa yaroi BJP gi lenga klon makha da pamdaba thawdok thokpagi chang leibak asigi mafam khudimakta hengalakle terror attack tege nupi angang yauna miyangi punsi mapung fana ngak senba ngamdre asigumba BJP gi lenga klon na sigi mayokta Congress Party na miyangi tamak lepkani haina Sarifa Rahman na makhata na fongdokhi
So, as we all know, Jammu and Kashmir is an UT. UT comes under Home Minister directly. So, Home Minister has failed to give security. He has failed to give security to those people, to tourists who have nothing to do with this terrorist attack. They were killed brutally. They were killed by their names, by their communities, which is truly condemnable from Congress Party. And we together, we are gathering here that the government has to take actions against this. We will not accept such coward act against people, innocent people, what have been happening. And it's not about only Kashmir. What is happening in last 18 months in Manipur, that is also cannot be ignored. So the BJP government, wherever they are, they have been doing the same. Let it be Manipur, let it be Pahalgam, let it be anywhere in India you see, the terror attacks have been raising day by day.